All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I wanted to share some information for those of you with sons and daughters and students at home. Maybe at school, depending on what your different learners' needs are, there are resources that are not available to you right now. So one key resource I wanted to share for your sons and daughters and students who are doing some work on computers and screens at home, particularly if they struggle with any wide variety of the forms of dyslexia, in which letters tend to float around or move or flip. There is a Chrome browser extension called Open Dyslexic, and we'll make sure to post the link here after this video goes up. But when you click on the Open Dyslexic link, it will take you to the Chrome extension store. And in the Chrome extension store, you have the option to add this to Chrome. Now, when you add it to Chrome, yes, we'd like to add the extension. There we go. Click there. When it's been added, you go ahead and click on the little icon that's up there. And then you enable Open Dyslexic. And when you do that, after refreshing the page, it should be enacted. So let's go to something like the Rosewood Initiative's Facebook page. Why not? Okay. And what you're going to see here is you're going to see the regular font that you normally look at when you're reading. But when you decide to refresh it, fingers crossed that this works. There we are. What you're going to see is that the font is different. The letters, especially the D's and the O's and anything that's circular, is more weighted and heavy, almost like it's a bold font. Now, what I've found in the past with students and other teachers using this as a resource is this makes it a lot easier for students and people to read things that normally are very, very difficult to get through, like worksheets, like web pages, and everything else like that. So one of the things I encourage you to do if you have a son or daughter or student at home who is working with or struggling with dyslexia is to consider adding the Open Dyslexic font for Chrome, and that way the screens they're reading and the things that they're working on are a little easier to navigate. Now, if you go to opendyslexic.com, you'll also find out that you can download this font and use it on worksheets. You'd be able to use it on worksheets, printouts, and anything else that you need. Okay, so it's yours to explore. It's here for you, and hopefully this is helpful if you're having students at home who are struggling with this work a little bit. Okay, thanks a lot.